Hello once again, sports fans. Today I'm just going to run you through this SK Designs custom numbers I've ordered. These cost me about $150. My son, he's only a Division 1 rider, but he really wanted numbers on his bike, so I thought Dad better give him a hand with that. So it took about 6 business days to arrive, which I thought was extremely quick. And yeah, they seem very good quality. We've got 2 side plates here, like that. And then we've got the front plate here. And because of the way the KTM 50 front plate's designed, the name on the top is a bit separate. So for $150, I got these 3. I got 10 of these little plates we can put on the back of the trailer or lunchbox or something. And also got 3 little key rings there. So one for me, one for Mum, and one for his school bag. So the quality seems quite good. In the past, with previous decals I've purchased from other companies, there's been a logo like a 3M or a adhesive brand emblem on the back. I can't see an emblem on the back of these ones, but the quality does seem quite good. And yeah, I'm happy with them, but we'll see how they fit on. All right, so as far as installation goes in these KTM 50s, this is all one piece of plastic. The side fenders and the rear fender is all one piece. So as far as removing this and installing it on the bench, I don't think it's going to make it any easier. There's also a lot of creases and bends in the side fender here, or the side plate here, which may make installation a bit trickier. Now, if we look at it up here, you'll see it covers that existing stock sticker. It says 50SX. So I suggest what we do there is remove that with a heat gun, put it aside, maybe put it on the back of this brown paper, try to keep the adhesiveness there. So if we want to return the bike to stock form, we can. There's also a stock sticker here on the front plate. We'll also remove with the heat gun.
If you need some love, raise your hands and make some noise!
Well, there you have it, guys. That's how I installed the SK Designs custom graphics on this 2019 KTM 50. You'll probably see the one on this side. The last one I did, I had a few issues with. Had to put a little prick in with a razor blade just to get an air bubble out. Probably my fault. I took it off a couple of times, wasn't happy the way it was situated. Whereas this first one I put on went on really well, and the front plate was extremely easy to go on. So really, I think they work very well, and I'm actually surprised how easy they went on. and how manoeuvrable they are. Bear in mind, it's a 34 degree day in Melbourne today, so it's yeah, they're flexible because of the heat. Anyway, recommend them. They are good quality and look like they're going to last me a long time. Have a good one, guys. See you on the next one.